Hi, I'm Rob from Southwest Customised Clothing. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be talking about HTV. What is it and how does it work? So what is HTV? HTV stands for Heat Transfer Vinyl. That is a vinyl product which you apply to clothing using a heat press, and you cut it on a vinyl cutter. So you plot out your design on a computer, so you can use software. So the software you can use is anything like CorelDRAW, Adobe, Photoshop, Illustrator. A lot of smaller cutters come with their own software, like the Silhouette comes with its own, the Cameo Silhouette comes with its own Silhouette software. So you can use all these different sorts of softwares to plot your design. So you plot your design out on a computer. We're not going to be doing that today, but you plot your design out on a computer and you cut it. Before we go any further, a lot of people don't understand, can you use any vinyl for clothing? No, you can't. This is sign vinyl, okay? So you have this, and the difference between sign vinyl and HTV is when you peel back sign vinyl, it's very, very sticky. Straight away, it's very sticky the second you peel it back. But you cut that and apply that to windows, cars, and various other things. This is HTV vinyl. So when you peel back HTV, there's no stickiness on the actual vinyl itself at all. The carrier, which is this piece, is a bit sticky. The actual vinyl itself, there is no stickiness to at all. That only comes when you put it on the heat press. So they're the two main differences with the HTV and the normal vinyl. Obviously, sign vinyl you can't apply to clothes. It's not stretchy. It's not designed to be on things that move a lot. It cracks and various things. But the HTV, the heat transfer vinyl, is designed to go on clothes. Okay, so this is heat transfer vinyl. This is what we're going to be working with. So we'll cut a bit now. We'll show you how to weed that out, and then we'll show you how to apply that to a garment. Okay, so for this little job, we're just going to use the little Silhouette Cameo cutter, which comes with its own software, and you send it mirrored. So when you're designing anything that's going to come across in for heat transfer, you have to send it mirrored. That way it shows correctly when it comes onto the garment. So we're just going to watch this cut out quickly. I've just done a little bit of text, which I haven't shown you the screen because you'll see it reveal as we weed it out in a moment. So what's happening is now the heat transfer vinyl is being cut out on the cutter, all the letters that we've put onto the screen, and we will weed that out, and then we will go through the process of applying it to a garment. Right, okay, here we've got a small piece of vinyl which we've put our text on. So what we've got here is the HTV facing upwards, which is the side that's been cut. And on the bottom, the shiny, smooth side is the carrier. So what we do is we just pick up a corner, an edge, and then we peel off. And then a good HTV will just peel very easily. Look at that, really quick, really easy. And then you're just left with popping out the centers of the letters and bits and pieces here to just get rid of, and then that is it, done. So what we do is we just go through this. There we are. Won't take a minute. So obviously it depends on how much intricate detail you have in your design. It doesn't have to be just text. For HTV you can do various things. You can do multicolor HTV. You can do just plain text. If you're doing just a bit of plain text, it can be a lot cheaper, a lot more economical way of doing things. So there are loads of benefits to HTV. Really lovely product to work with. If you find a good one you like, you never really want to change. This brand I'm using here is One Flex by De Gea UK. I really like it. It weeds lovely, it presses lovely. it's yeah, it's just all in all a great product. So there's a very slight tack to the carrier just to help it stay on the garment. But so there it is. That's our cut in reverse, and there we go. HTV heat transfer vinyl. What is it and how does it work? So let's show you how to apply this to a garment. Okay, so I have my heat press set for De Gea One Flex, which is the brand and the make of vinyl that we'll be using. I've got it coming up to 120 degrees and it's gonna press for 15 seconds. The beauty with this vinyl is you can raise the temperature or lower the temperature to, depends what garments or material you're working with, and you can also reduce the time or increase the time you press for. So if you went up to say 150, the press comes down to 8 seconds. So it's a really versatile vinyl. So once this is up to preheat, we'll go ahead with pressing. So as you've just seen, we have cut and weeded our heat transfer vinyl. We're now going to press it onto a shirt. First thing you do, give the shirt a quick pre-press. Sorry about the camera angle, but it's a bit tight for space here, so I want you to see the machine more than me. So we're just going to give that a quick preheat. You don't necessarily need to do it on everything, but it's good for practice for getting rid of all the moisture in the garment, things like that. It just means you're also pressing onto a smoother, flatter, nicer piece of garment. Right, that's lovely and smooth. So what we do is we have got our cut vinyl that we cut and weeded a moment ago. We are going to lay it onto the garment here. Now, with this protective cover, you don't necessarily need to protect it, but these machines are very expensive, and I personally cover everything, whether it's be with a protection paper or a what they call like a bacon paper, but this is a matte finish paper. Pop that over there. It just helps protect the plate. This is the bit here that if you get any stuff stuck on it, you've got to clean it. Any damage to that ruins your plate. So always personally try and protect your vinyls, your garments and your heat press just with a simple bit of paper. So what we're going to do is now we're going to push this in. It's come up to temperature and it's set for 15 seconds. So literally we've got it on press now. So what we're going to do is literally when that beeps, we're going to lift it up, pull it out. It's a warm peel, this one, so we're just going to give it a second, peel it off. That is it. Job done. So easy. Here we go. So remove the paper, give it a little rub. Okay, I tend to put my hand here to help stop the garment pulling up. Get hold of the corner of your paper. Job done. Comes off all clear, nothing's left there, and there it is. That's it. HTV. So, HTV, heat transfer vinyl, what is it and how does it work? So, this has been a short video about heat transfer vinyl. What is it and how does it work? You've watched us make this shirt, really simple. So basically, we'll recap, what is heat transfer vinyl? Heat transfer vinyl is a flexible, soft vinyl that you cut with a vinyl cutter that you then apply to garments with text, pictures, and it's very stretchy. It's really long lasting. You can hardly feel that's on there. And the difference between that and sign vinyl is very sticky. As soon as you peel it back, it's really sticky, and that's used for cutting in the same way, but it goes on shop windows, cars, vehicles. But the heat transfer vinyl, when you peel it back, there's no stickiness to it at all. You know, that's it. It's not until the heat is applied onto the garment that it then sticks. This side then fuses onto the garment. So, heat transfer vinyl, HTV, really simple to work with. Best thing to start with if you're getting into the garment decoration industry. Simple: cut, peel, weed out and press. That is it. You can make designs as elaborate as you want. Obviously the more elaborate, the more weeding you've got. But for simple designs, just text designs on shirts, you know, so many shirts you see just say things like coffee, or, you know, don't speak to until you've given me a coffee, and stuff like that. It's all done if it's just text with heat transfer vinyl. Simple to use, great product. As I say, you'll find your own products to use. This is a De Gea One Flex. Brilliant product. I love it. I use others, but I will be doing some reviews comparing them to others later date. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Real quick video about HTV, heat transfer vinyl. What is it and how does it work? Any questions, give me a shout. Thank you. Well, there we are. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was my second video. Please do subscribe. Please do like, press the bell button for notifications. Please leave it a like if you did like the video. Leave it a dislike if you didn't. I'm quite happy with all honest feedback. If you liked it, great. If you didn't, let me know why. I am new to this, so appreciate any feedback. Thank you.